Everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Grass Designs. I've decided to make another, sorry, I've decided to make another, and I've already sketched it out on, this is rolled out on my thickest setting on my pasta machine, which happens to be the one, weirdly enough. There I go again with the ums. So I'm just going to cut this with my X-Acto knife, which I just changed the blade on, and weirdly enough it already has the tip broke off of it. I can't imagine how that must have happened. Would not have been me. So, sorry. These are limited in the circumference. The diameter there is like 4 inches, so really you need to have something that's 3.5 or less to fit inside that largest cookie cutter. So that's why I'm working with this size. And really, now we'll save the rest of that because I want to do the Texas star in the middle, 3-dimensional, okay? But one of the things I'm wanting to do is give this a little bit of detail. Decisions. I might have should have thought about that before. I sketched those lines for the Texas flag in there. Sorry about that. I tend to not talk when I'm concentrating for some reason. I get that 5-year-old in kindergarten syndrome where you gotta stick your tongue out kind of thing. Okay. Excuse my head if you happen to see it for a second. Try not to push all the way through is a challenge. There we go. That's what I meant. Hope you can see that a little bit. Alright, that's a good start. But the one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run my finger really lightly along those cut edges so they don't stand up so much. Oh yeah, that's looking nice, except for I can see the drag marks from rolling it through a pasta machine. But we'll do something about that. It's kind of hard. I don't want it really rolled out though. Okay, now I've baked this, then backed it with another layer of polymer clay on the thickest setting and baked that. Then I coated it with a coat of UV resin just to make it shiny. Now I'm gonna glue the cookie cutter to the ceramic tile. Once the glue gun heats up some more. Okay, there it is, all glued down to the tile. Okay, so I'm gonna mix up some silicone, pour in just a little bit. Gotta make sure there's no glue strings. I don't want any glue strings across the face of the Texas because they will show up in the mold. Okay. I'm going to mix up some silicone and I'll be back. Okay, this is the Start Sew World brand. I mixed it up. It's a 1-to-1 volume. I mixed up 4 ounces. I'm just gonna pour in one spot and let it find its own level. Okay, now it's covered up the star. Okay. Alright. Once again, I'm going to put this on my drying rack. And I'm just going to let it cure. I can see I've got one tiny little drip right there. Let's see if we can solve that really quick. There. Now the silicone is kind of sneaky. It will find any little spot that it can go through. Okay, I'm going to put this on my drying rack. It needs to set for 6 hours. It is now basically 9 o'clock. So I'll be back maybe 3 o'clock, maybe 4 o'clock. Alright. Okay, it's set. Now let's get this off here. Ow. Just trying to get it opening spot.